previous segments, we've talked a lot about the scenario planning, about the work that's done leading up to this part of the process. We made the analogy of pulling back a bowstring to, if you will, get in the ready. And now it's time to start taking in ideas. So this is a classic innovation funnel, and I'll talk about each of the stages here. Remember, we talked about the boundary setting, mapping where the organization's innovation is today, going through market opportunity identification, and these are the basis for the ideas. I don't want to suggest that you don't have an open Dropbox, if you will, for ideas that are random. You may find a home for them, but I want to take a few minutes to describe each of these in terms of what the goal and purpose of the overall process is. Now, some of this is going to seem highly tactical, and that's by design, because a lot of the work that we've done up to now has been so strategic, so much about setting the stage. And as much information as we have covered, keep in mind, in the entire time from segment 1 until our wrap-up, we're boiling 20 years of experience and practice down into that time. And by way of reminder, if you were going to go through each of these segments individually at an individual organization, uniquely, then you'd be spending, roughly $100,000 just in conference fees and travel. So we've covered a lot up to now, but when you actually put it into practice, this entire process, it is not even 6 months to stand up. Ideally, once you decide to go, you want to move. So we've talked about the boundaries, the setting an innovation portfolio up, having the market opportunities. Now we'll take one of these and solicit ideas. Sounds easy. Announce to the world you're interested in this spot, in this market, and get ideas. Let's talk about the different ways you can do that. And there are a lot of tools out there that can help. Again, in the interest of disclosure, I need to tell you up front, I'm not on contract with any of these companies. These are tools that I've used. Some are better than others. And so we'll talk about what you want the tool to do for you. My favorite tool would be from Imaginatic, who has probably the most flexible platform for managing both ideas and the individual tasks required to drive that idea to market. There are others, I'm sure, and others I know of. But that tends to be one that is very, as I said, cost-effective and has the adaptability most organizations need.